Maybe I'm looking for somewhere I'll get enough background lighting. This is fine, yeah. Hello and welcome. My name is Kofi and I'm here at the PyData event happening in Kokun, Osu, Accra. We're here to listen to talks and get to interact and share ideas about how we can use Python in learning and gaining insights when it comes to data. We're going to hear talks from... Where's the program outline?
Okay, I'm Samobefi Boache, a machine learning engineer at SIST, the creators of Mazuma. And I'm also one of the leads of PyData Ghana. So I'm here at our first meetup, which is PyData Accra, data science, data versus the scientists. So we are here to talk about the core skills needed to actually break into this field of data science and how you can, anywhere you find yourself, how you can actually apply your programming skills and data science to make your work easier and also to gain more insight from the data that you work with at your workplace.
Okay, hi, my name is Boaji Daniel. I'm a student at the University of Ghana. I was talking on why statistics fit into data science, why it's important to know the details of your data set before you actually work with them. Because if you don't know the mean or descriptive and inferential part of your data set, working with them will be difficult. You wouldn't know which visualization to do, which tools to use in the analysis. And I believe the experience was awesome. I really enjoyed myself. The students that came around were very helpful. They were responsive when you ask questions. So I think it was a great experience. And I believe that everybody who shows up here would have something to send back home.
So we've had talks on 4 areas, so which is statistics, databases, data wrangling, and data visualization. So maybe on the next meetup we can talk about machine learning itself and the other very, very interesting fields. So far so good. It's very, very interesting. We've kind of talked about why you need to have a strong field in statistics, or why you need to have strong knowledge in statistics, why you need to know your databases, how to store your data, and also how to get them, maybe work scraping skills and some work with Excel and sheets and all of that, and also how to wrangle with your data, or kind of clean your data, or kind of mess up with it and try to see what you can find from maybe your mean, your standard deviations and all of that. How to kind of process the data in so many different ways. Then lastly, we're talking about visualization, how to actually compute the data to different parties, maybe your bosses, children, or the general public. You should know the kind of data visualization you need to actually show to them to make sense to them. Yeah.